Good afternoon, everybody. You knew I had to bring Miranda down here because this particular spot has a lot of memories. Every RV I've had has parked right here in this spot with this view of the Wishkah River out here. And not necessarily good memories, but not bad memories either. Things were not always as comfortable and easy for me living on the road, certainly prior to YouTube. So I will say this spot does not have signage that says no overnight parking anymore. So as far as I know, it's still City of Aberdeen and still 72 hours tops, or just one night if you're like me, because we're leaving today. And it's going to be a rare day here in Western Washington. We're going to hit 80 in June. So I say we go to the ocean. Yeah, right? I do have the leveling jacks up on this side because it slopes so much. It's kind of cool to get level on the curb. Still can't get Jax to come outside here. His memories are a little different than mine. Poor guy. Hey, let's go to the ocean. It's going to be a nice day at the ocean. And there we go. Welcome to the city of Ocean Shores, Washington, which only comes alive when it's crazy hot in Olympia, Tacoma, and Seattle, and everybody comes here. Now, they do more or less have one of the shortest windows of being open for season in the entire country. Hey, I've been to 3 oceans in the last year. Pacific Ocean, I've been to all 3 this year. Wow. Well, in the last year. I've been escaping the heat my whole life by coming to Ocean Shores. This McDonald's off to the right, Dad used to take us there back in the day when you could get orange sherbet ice cream on a cone. Remember the old orange ice cream soft serve on a cone? Then we switched to chocolate dip cones. Yeah. There certainly aren't too many beaches that you can literally drive your vehicle or your RV up onto in the country. Ocean Shores is one of them. We got some gravel right now. And then it kind of morphs into this sandy mix of soft and hard. And you just got to be careful. You just got to be careful. I like to stay on the dark brown wet sand. I actually don't like this soft stuff that I'm going through right now. So don't slow down in this at all. Don't even take your foot off the gas until you get to the other side here. Okay, now I will turn this way. This is the sand I like. This dark stuff is safe. That light stuff off to the right, not so much. Okay? Look out, little seagull. I'm gonna park right here for a little bit. We should be safe. And yes, it is crazy, windy, and chilly, and I regret wearing a sleeveless shirt right now, but it's the ocean. Welcome to Ocean Shores. So because of the blowing wind and sand and salt in the air, I'm not gonna pop the slides out today just to kind of keep the motors and track clean, but yep, this is what we're driving on. You know, it's pretty hard pack as long as it stays moist from the tides coming in and out. Everybody's over there in long pants and Seahawks jackets, and I'm out here in a sleeveless shirt and shorts. Yeah. Pacific Ocean. All kinds of shells. That's a crab leg there. Oh, and there's the rest of Mr. Krabby. Dude, what happened? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I am so cold. That wind chill. 84 degrees an hour away in Olympia. 53 degrees here at Ocean Shores. I'm gonna turn the heater on. Seagulls like flying around. There we go. We're on the beach. Oh, too cold. Oh man. Are you excited to go play in the sand, Jax, man? Yeah, okay, we will. First off, I'm not going to turn the heater on. I preheated the oven. And I'm going to put a health buy in the oven. That way it'll kind of help keep us warm through the vents. You want to go outside? Okay, let's put your harness on. All right, buddy. Where's your harness? What do you mean you don't know? Show me. What do you think? Is it too windy? You could try it. You gotta try everything once, buddy. You can't always be a sourpuss, Jax. You gotta get your paws in the sand. I know it's cold. I know, man, but it's sand. You wanna try it? You wanna flop in it and get all dirty? Hey, you should flop. Go ahead and flop, Jax. Go ahead and flop. You know, oh man, get all dirty in that sand. Look at those paws, they're so dirty. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Yeah. You had enough? See, I knew you'd like it. You just don't like the water and the wind, but the sand's cool. You funny boy. You funny boy. Want to come inside, get some treats? Yeah, you hungry? We can get some treats? All right, buddy. Oh yeah, ocean pizza is the best kind of pizza pie. Also still a little warm. Yep. Actually, I'm gonna eat inside. You know, the ocean shores here, though, one thing, I think I mentioned this before, you can't stay here overnight unless you are awake all night. So that's why they say no camping. But if you're awake outside, if State Patrol rolls by and they see a campfire on the beach right here or something, or they see you outside, or they can see you through the window with the light on, you can stay here overnight at the beach. As long, you know, you just got to be mindful, and that's why that rule's there, is because the tide can come in and people don't pay attention. They put tents out here and everything, and it's for safety. After I eat and after Jax and I hang out for a little bit, I will show you what we'll do for the night. But I do want to test out these meaty tires on the bike. Holy cow, it's windy. So let me eat first and get back to you. This is what it looks like in here without the slide out. Jax has got his seat. We got some Netflix going on. I'm on season 3 of Breaking Bad. And I did close all the curtains just to make it a little more dark in here so that I can see the screen better. But I would be outside if it were nice and sunny and warm and not so windy and cold. So we'll do this instead, and then we'll hop on the bike. All right, buddy, I'm going to go right around. You be good. Keep an eye on the RV, okay? Do you want me to put some birds on the screen for you? All right, have fun. I'll be back. People are starting to leave. I'm not sure if they know something I don't know. But yeah, just got my hat cinched on. We're switched to super wide just so I can capture a little more of this. I'm excited to try the bike out. It won't be like I'm gonna film all the time while I'm riding this thing, because it's a little more work to carry the camera, and I kind of want 2 hands on the handlebars all the time. But you know what? She feels really good on the sand. I mean, really good. Wow, she likes the sand. Woo! If I lose my hat out here, it's gonna blow away somewhere for sure. Woo! This is awesome. This bike is ridiculously fun. Maybe I need to invest in a kite. Perhaps. I do go to a lot of windy places. Excuse me? What are you doing? You're not batting the TV, are you? No, you need to keep your little pawsies off the TV though, okay? Oh, putz. So I have no intention of staying awake all night at the beach. I'm gonna head on over to the Quinault Beach Resort and Casino over here, because they have overnight parking with some perks. They made some changes. It used to be free in the off season and then $10 on season, and now I believe it's $10 just flat rate weekdays any time of the year, and $15 a night on the weekends to dry camp on the beach. But like I said, there are some other perks. You get to stay in Ocean Shores, so that's cool. So I'll head over there. All right, and here's the entrance to the Quinault Beach Resort and Casino / RV Park. They do still offer the $2.99 Olympics special early bird eggs breakfast, and I may try that in the morning. All right, now I want to get parked and get comfortable. I got a lot of editing to do. I still have not edited the Wainucci stuff. The video that you will have already seen by now, basically. Yeah. Speed limit 21. Get it? Because blackjack? Yeah. Not too busy at all. It is tough to get level here. You can see, you can kind of see what's going on. The slopes to the middle here, kind of like one of the worst RV parks ever. I'm gonna back in because these sites over here are a little more level. Then I gotta unhook the e-bike again. Then I gotta go to the office and pay, and I will let you know how that goes. I actually walked up there to register it. I'm not gonna take the e-bike off this time. Yep, so $15, and this is what you get. I know a lot of people have been griping about it a lot lately, but it's a secure, approved spot to park. Put your thing up in the window, and then this is what you get. But it's better than you might think. We actually have our own private access to the beach down here. It's about a half-mile trail through here. Sorry, just realized I still had it on super while you were getting part of the microphone in my previous shots. That's funny. So, you know, the sand and everything caked and covered in the RV, that's all just extra. That's just part of the experience. I didn't bring an extra battery. Anyway, I'm gonna spend a little more time at the beach and I'll be back in the RV tonight. And good morning. I slept super well last night. I was surprised. Maybe the sound of the wind and the waves just reminded me so much of home that I slept like a baby. Just fed Jax. I haven't even made any coffee yet. I'm gonna walk up to the casino restaurant up here, make sure they still got the Olympic special going on, because I'm starving. Yeah. What a deal, right? Oh man. I mean, oh yeah. Oh, there's Eric. Yeah, time to leave Grays Harbor County. You do get sunshine and solar here. Like I was getting like 40 amps of solar in this overcast because the sun's there. It's just very filtered. So I do have to get back into Thurston County tomorrow for an important appointment. But I want to check out this one DNR campsite recreation area before and spend the night there because I can't boondock in the city, right? Okay, so we'll get out of here. It's starting to clear up. It gets really congested in Hoquiam and Aberdeen, just like bottlenecks, but now it's opening up 2 lanes, Highway 8 going east. Here we go. Yeah, I've been here before. It's been a few years, but I've never actually tried to overnight park here at this little area. You do need a Discover Pass. It's a fee area, but it doesn't say you can't overnight. It doesn't say it's only day use. So in this case, I'm gonna give it a shot. It is right next to the highway, but I can't park at any of the Walmarts nearby. So, and actually, it probably is mostly just day use because of the boat launch into the Satsop River, which is quite low. The boat launch ends here. The water's, yeah. Yeesh. Somebody got scared right out of their sandals. These parts here in Washington State, mostly got to worry about mountain lions. There can be cougars and bears out here, especially along the river. Those are the things I worry about. And some of the reasons why I don't wear headphones when I'm near a nice river or something. I've got all my videos edited. Just need to get them uploaded today. You're taking this pretty well, Jax. What do you think? You think it's okay? What's going on? Are we dog sitting? Oh, hi Timber. What do you think of my big kitty? Him's a big boy, huh? Yeah. You pretty chill with this puppy? Oh, okay. You guys just keep your distance and everybody's cool? Okay. What a good girl. Can I have this? Were you using that? Can I have it? You weren't using it. Oh, you wanted that one actually? Ooh, yeah, okay. I'll keep it. Let's see if Jax wants it. Ugh, it smells like DOG. Dad, it smells like dog. I don't want it. Here, you have it. Guess what, everybody? I'm gonna be honest with you. It was not a good idea to attempt to overnight at that location. Even though it doesn't say no overnight parking, my instinct was right. It is a day use area, and I had a sheriff come by to remind me, even though it's Fish and Wildlife. A Grays Harbor sheriff came by. He told me it's his job to notify people, so he does this a lot. He comes to that place at night and tells people, you gotta move on, you gotta get out of here. He woke me up. I was like, man, it's gonna take me about an hour to have a cup of coffee and put all the slides in and get ready to go. He's like, yeah, it's okay, man, just letting you know. So I am passing that information on to you, that little spot in Satsop, Brady. Yeah, it's not good for overnight. So, many of you have noticed and pointed out the blank spot where I removed decals on parts of the RV. And you probably want to know more about that. And I'm going to leave you in suspense. You don't have to wait long. Check out my very next video. Also, I gave the other e-bike to a friend who could use it. And I'm going to keep the folding bike that I like back here. So, that is my duties for the day. I'm going to be editing here, and I'm dog sitting for some friends who are watching a movie over here in Lacey. Look at this. Isn't she cute? She's so precious. And Jax likes ya. Yeah. You got to stay in, though. I can't lose you. I'll get in big trouble. So, guys, take care, and I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.